let's start the class, my friends. Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the English class. Open your cameras, my friend. Open your cameras. Today is the lesson number 4. Okay? When I was young, we are going to continue to talk about past tense. Please watch this video and then you are going to answer these questions, okay? These 2 questions. Pay attention to the video.
Hi, children. I am Mehmet. I am your teacher's neighbor. This is my wife, Sepji.
Hello, children. I am Sefi. We are so happy to meet you. Today, I will talk about my and Mehmet's past abilities and disabilities.
When I was young, I could play piano. I couldn't climb a mountain. When Sepji was young, she could ride a bicycle.
Ha ha ha. That is true. Also, when I was young, I could sing a song, but I couldn't run fast. I could swim.
These are our abilities and disabilities when we were young. See you later.
You see? They talk about their abilities when they were young.
I couldn't climb a...
In the past. Okay? My friends, the grammar of this class is could and couldn't. And you know this verb, huh? In present, you know the verb. Who can tell me what is could in present? It's a verb. It's an action you saw last year. Who can remember? In the past is could, but in present, who can tell me? Who can tell me what is the verb could in present? No one? The verb is this. Do you remember this verb? This action? Oh, big one. Do you remember this? Can? Yes, no? You remember the verb can? The past of the verb can is could. Okay? That is the past. In Spanish, you know, no? Puedo. The past, podía. The could. Okay? Now, let's answer these questions, okay? Jacob, could you swim? Jacob, could you swim when you were 7 years old?
No, I couldn't.
Oh,
No.
no, you couldn't. Thank you. Jacob, another question for you. Could you play basketball when you were 7?
Yes, I cloud.
Thank you, Jacob. Nicolas, what about you, Nicolas? Nicolas, could you swim when you were 7 years old?
No, I could.
No, I couldn't. Okay. Nicolas, continue with the next question. Could you send an email when you were 7 years old?
No, I could.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Everybody, please open your microphones. Open your microphones. Repeat, please. Yes, I could.
Yes, I could.
Yes, I could.
I could.
Yes, I could.
I could. No, I could.
I could. I could. Yes, I could. Yes, I could. I could.
Please listen one more time. Listen and repeat. No, I couldn't.
No, I couldn't. No, I couldn't. No, I couldn't. No, I couldn't.
Close your microphones. Thank you. Yes. Yes, I could, or no, I couldn't. It's okay. Now, today, now yesterday I tell you this. In this week, we are going to evaluate the platform, but not today. Today only we have 40 minutes. Tomorrow, we are going to work in the platform. Okay, tomorrow is the platform. And also tomorrow, some students can tell me the report about the last vacation, or the last holiday, or the last weekend. No, some students, because most of you give me your report, but some others are missing. Okay. Now let's start with the vocabulary. Okay, my friends, please open your Young Stars, your student book, page 20. This is in your book, page 20. Let's start with the vocabulary. Okay. Today we are going to talk about what could you do when you were 6 years old? What could you do when you were 7 years old? Okay, what could you do when you were younger? And that's why we are going to use could and couldn't. Yes, I could, and no, I couldn't, in groups. Okay, page 20, vocabulary. Listen and repeat, please. Open your microphones. Open the microphone. Repeat.
Rollerblade.
Rollerblade.
Microphones. My friends, chicos, un estudiante tiene un micrófono, está malito. Revísalo, por favor, hazlo revisar con un técnico o cómprate otro micrófono. ¿Ok? Si no, no vamos a poder trabajar en clase.
Trabajas el de Valeria, porque en el de Valeria varias veces comienza a dar un tono así.
Ok, Jacob. Sí, yo no sé quién es exactamente, pero yo te aconsejo que lo hagas revisar. Okay, my friends, this is the vocabulary. Okay, this is the vocabulary. Now, we are going to play with the vocabulary with celebrity as always, but this time is different. Pay attention, and this time is different. You are going to open the link, you are going to click in play, and then you are going to complete these sentences using the vocabulary. For example, let's do this. Let's complete this sentence. My dad always start with S, with A, and E in his work. My dad always rollerblade, teacher, rollerblade. You are going to write, no, rollerblade is for this sentence, it's for this other sentence. When Thomas was young, he could rollerblade. It's for this sentence. For this other sentence, who can tell me what is the vocabulary for this? My dad always
send an email.
Oh, very good. That is send an email. Si tú escribes mal, teacher, no me corrige, pero es que estás escribiendo mal. It's not correct. Si tú dejas un espacio de más, tampoco te va a aceptar. Okay? You need to write the correct word. The vocabulary. Okay, my friend, please go to Zoom. Go to the chat. Open the link and complete this sentence with the vocabulary, okay? Complete a sentence with the vocabulary. When you finish, raise your hand. Type the vocabulary. That is type. Tipear, escribir, write. Type the vocabulary to complete the sentence, okay? When you finish, raise your hand. Let's go to the chat. Open the link. Elena, your camera. Danny. Okay, Regina, one more time, okay? Yeah, it's in the chat. Go. Open your cameras, my friend. Cameras. Álvaro. Alessandra Q. Alessio, your camera. Alejandro, complete the sentences. Complete the sentence with the vocabulary, right? Is the vocabulary, no? Oh, play golf. Okay, play golf. Right. It's writing in this time. If you finish, raise your hand, okay? Okay, Rommel, please share your screen.
Yeah, Professor, ahí
Now I
está.
can speak English, type. Oh, very good, Rommel, it's correct. Thank you. Gabriel, you are next.
Teacher, me confundí. Y pareció que estaba bien.
Okay, thank you. Nicolas, you are next, please. And Valeria, you continue after Nicolas. Nicolas, very good, my friend. Good job. Thank you. Valeria, share. Then Valentino Ramos, okay? Very good, Valeria. Thank you. Valentino, you are next. Very good, Valentino. And to finish, Adimir Korioki, okay? Adimir, please, share. Good job, Adimir. Thank you, my friend. Good job, Gabriel. Good job, Jacob. Let's continue now with the book, okay? Listen, we are going to work in groups in the book. Let's work in groups. In your book, you have this page, page 20. You are going to complete these columns working in groups, okay? And the question is this. The question is this, okay? Please pay attention, pay attention. This is not a question, Teacher, this? No, this no, please, this no. No, this no. The question is in the last part. This is the question, okay? Please open your microphones. Open your microphones, listen and repeat.
Could you rollerblade when you were 5 years old?
Could you rollerblade when you were 5 years old? Rollerblade when
Yes,
you
I
were
could.
Yes, I could.
cold. Not the cold.
I
I couldn't.
Thank you. Stop. Listen, please, listen. Listen, this is yes, I could. No, I couldn't. And the question is always very similar. The question is equal. Could you rollerblade when you were, let's change this, 7 years old? Could you send an email when you were 7 years old? Could you speak English when you were 7 years old? Could you swim when you were 7 years old? Okay, this is the question you are going to work. Okay, now in your books, please, The red column is for you. This is your information. This is about you. Complete, please, okay? This is about you, complete. For example, in my case, no? Rollerblade when I was 7. No, I couldn't. I could send an email. No, I couldn't. Speak English. No, I couldn't. Yes, about me, yes. Yes, I could swim. Play soccer? No. Play hockey? No, I couldn't. Type? No, I couldn't type. Play golf? No, I couldn't. Please complete this column, the red. It's about you. Complete the column.
Teacher, you
red.
termine.
Yeah, thank you, my friend. Now,
Finish, teacher. Profesor se mutió.
thank you, my friend. The column B is in groups. Okay, for example, yeah, let's see. For example, my friend, let's see. Oh, it's very big, this small one. Yeah, my friend Valentino Ramos is in my group. Valentino, student A, Valentino. Valentino, could you rollerblade when you were 7 years old?
No, I can't.
When Valentino was 7 years old. Valentino, could you send an email? Could you send an email when you were 7 years old?
No. No, I can't.
Could you speak English? Could you speak English when you were 7 years old?
No, I can't.
Could you swim when you were 7 years old?
Yes, I can't.
Could you play hockey when you were 7 years old?
No, I can't.
Could you type when you were 7 years old?
Yes, I can't.
Could you play golf when you were 7 years old?
No, I can't.
Thank you, Valentino. Then you change, not change roles. Okay, my friends, pay attention. Listen, we are going to work in groups for this. 5 minutes, you are going to complete this, the student A. Then we return to the class and the teacher divide the class again, one more time in groups, another 5 minutes. And then you complete the column B. Okay? 2 times we are going to work in groups. 5 minutes with one student in your group. You finish this, you complete this. Then we return to the class. And then again, groups. One more time. 5 minutes more. You practice the questions and you complete the column B, the student B. Okay, my friends? 2 times. Yes?
Yes.
Please, one more time, please repeat.
Yes, profe.
Listen, one more time, please repeat. Open your microphones. Repeat, please.
You're
Hold you rollerblade.
Okay, let's make the groups. Boys, groups of 2, only 2. Complete the student A. When you finish,
¿Con dos, teacher?
yes, only 2.
¿No sería con tres?
Chicos, primeros 5 minutos para que completes la columna A. Termina, regresamos otra vez en grupos, volvemos a dividir, new students, 5 minutes more, the column B, the student B. Okay? It's okay? Do you understand? Yes, no? Yeah, let's start, okay? Hmm. Who has problems with the microphone? Tell me, please. Chicos, ¿quién tiene problemas con el micrófono y no va a poder participar? Tell me, who? In the chat. Hasta donde sé, Valeria. Valeria, en tu grupo va a haber 3 estudiantes, ¿ok? Por si falla tu micrófono. The rest, please, let's practice, let's go, accept the invitation, make the questions, complete your book. Could you rollerblade? Could you swim? Could you speak English? 5 minutes to complete the column A, the student A. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Camila, let's go. Danny, let's go. Alessio, let's go. Fabiana, let's go. Go with your group.
Rollerblade.
Yes. Yes, I count.
When he was 6 years, sent an email.
Yes. Yes, I count.
When I was 6 years old.
Sorry, Jacob. Sorry, Jacob. The question is this, Jacob. Could you send an email when you were 5 years old? This is the
Okay.
question.
A ver.
Jacob, it's in your book, huh? This,
Yes,
no, Jacob.
ellos tengo de otro libro. Papi.
Is this, Jacob? Is this? Could you rollerblade? No,
Could you rollerblade when you were 5 years old?
Yes, I count.
Good job, Alejandro. Continue like that. Jacob, continue with the question.
You sent.
When I was 5 years old, speak in English? No, I count.
Okay, my friends, stop. Pay attention. This, no. This is not a question, huh? The question is this. Look, this is the question. Could you rollerblade when you were 7 years old? This is the question with this, Nicolas, Antonella, with this.
Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher. Can't you swim with you 5 years old? No, I can't.
Antonella, repeat, please. Antonella, repeat. No, I couldn't.
No, I couldn't.
No, I couldn't.
No, I couldn't.
Yes, I could.
Yes, I could.
Okay, continue, please.
Okay, teacher.
Or 10 years old.
Rodrigo.
Profesor, un momento.
Listen. Welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. Pay attention. The question, this is not a question. This is a sentence. When I was 5, this is not the question. The question is here. Look. Could you rollerblade when you were 5 years old? Yes, I could. Could you send an email? Could you send an email when you were 5 years old? No, I couldn't. My friends, the question is here in your book. This is the question. This is the conversation in groups. This. Okay? This part, not this. This is only a sentence. This is only an example. Your sentence, your question is here. Could you rollerblade? Could you swim? Could you type? Could you play hockey? Is with this part. Okay? It's with this. One more time, please. Go to your groups. The question. Okay? 3 minutes. How to finish.
Profe,
Primer grupo.
profesor.
No hay grupo.
Profesor, ahora vamos a ir con diferentes participantes.
No. The same. Finish, please. Okay? 3 minutes more and then you finish.
Profesor, ¿por qué me hace? Porque con nuestro mismo, porque compañero, aquí hicimos
Yes,
este grupo.
yes, Álvaro, we continue to finish.
Sí, ahorita ya terminamos con nuestro grupo.
Yeah, it's excellent, Jacob, but repeat one more time. Repeat your conversation. Could you rollerblade? Could you swim? For the rest, finish. You have 3 minutes, okay? The question, my friends, the question, no sentence, the question. Could you is with could. Let's go.
Estoy en la página del libro, no la encuentro, pero le tomé la captura.
20, Fabiana, 20.
¿Qué?
20, the number 20.
Ya, ahora sí.
The questions, practice.
Profesor, ¿qué es rollerblade?
It's in the vocabulary. Rollerblade.
Could you rollerblade when you were 5 years old?
Alessandra, repeat. Yes, I could.
Yes, I could.
No, I couldn't.
No, I couldn't.
Alessandra, intenta responder completo, ¿ok? Yes, I could. No, yes, I could. No, I couldn't, ¿ok? Another question. Fabiana, second question.
Okay, teacher. Could you
Mi internet está bien, ¿puedes repetirlo?
Ok, espérate un tantito. Un ratito.
When you're 5-year-old.
No, I couldn't.
Could you swim when you were 5-year-old?
No, I couldn't.
Excellent job. Continue like that.
Ya terminamos.
Yeah, repeat, please. One question, Luis. Only one.
Yeah,
Repeat.
teacher.
Profe, ¿quién pregunta?
Listen the question, Álvaro. Listen. Luis, the question.
Could you rollerblade when you were 5 years old?
Yes, could.
Álvaro, repeat, please. Yes, I could.
Yes, I would.
Yes, I could.
Could you?
would.
Okay, welcome back. Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back. I suppose you finished the student A. I suppose you completed this. This information. Now, 5 minutes more. 5 minutes more to complete the student B. Okay? A different student this time. It's a different student. Okay? Let's see. Different student. Okay?
Profesora Alan,
Yes.
que está no, es el
Yes,
profesor
teacher Alan, please, your microphone. My friends,
Yep,
accept the invitation. Let's go. Go with your groups. Complete the student B, the other column, the orange column. Okay? Let's go. The same. Could you swim? Could you rollerblade? Let's go. Let's go.
Profesor, a mí no me llegó la invitación.
Ah, Alessio, te saliste, ¿ves? Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Alessio. Rafaela, Stephanie, the questions.
Okay, teacher. Could you rollerblade? No, I could.
Stephanie, please repeat. Stephanie, repeat. Could you rollerblade
Could you rollerblade?
when you were 7 years old?
When you're 7 years old?
Rafaela, repeat. Yes, I could.
Yes, I could.
No, I couldn't.
No, I couldn't.
Stephanie, complete question, huh? Complete, no rollerblade. When you were 7 years old, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Continue, please, continue.
Could you rollerblade when you were 7 years old? No, I couldn't. Could you send an email when you were 7 years old? No, I couldn't.
Excellent, continue with that. The questions.
The question, teacher, finish.
Yeah, repeat, please, repeat the questions.
Okay, teacher. Could you rollerblade when you were 7 years old? Yes, I could. Could you send an email when you were 7 years old? Yes, I could. Could you speak English when you were 7 years old? Yes, I could.
Very good, continue like that.
Could you swim when you...
Continue, Jaciel, the questions for Alejandro.
Could you swimming when you were 4 years old?
Yes, I could.
Could play hockey when you were 5 years old?
No, I couldn't.
Continue, Jaciel.
Could you drive when you were 6 years old?
Yes, I could.
Who
Nada, profesor, así lo que...
My friends. Okay, my friends. I suppose you completed the student B, the column orange, the orange column.
Yes,
Okay.
profe.